I have a crafty Happy Mail share. Today I received this package. Beautiful washi tape. I won't show you the front, but here we go. Full of beautiful things. There's still more stuff inside. And that's it. And I will keep this packaging and use that to make something, as we all do. It's a little tag. I won't show you the other side of that, but this is from Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda on YouTube, and I'm part of the Facebook group, and she'd asked if anybody wanted to do a recipe exchange, so I sent her a recipe and a little something, and this is she had sent this to me, and I was just blown away by so many beautiful things. This is from her happiness and crafting kit that she designed. So look at how pretty that is. Just love the colors. And so these pockets are just filled with ephemera from that kit. She made a beautiful journal on YouTube. She did a craft with me series, and there was 8 videos right from start to finish of this beautiful journal that she made using this kit. It's so cute. And there's a recipe on the matching paper. And there's more stuff. Look at all the tags. She's done some stamping there. It's just beautiful. Love these colors. And the images are just so vintage, retro. You know, there's my mom making muffins, which we used to help her with. There we go. The family in the kitchen baking. Some beautiful memories for sure. There's a recipe card. More recipe cards ready for me to put some of my recipes on and make a beautiful journal. I haven't decided what I'm going to use this to make yet, but I have bought the kit. Here we go. This is a cute little book she made. You can see it was stitching down the side. Look at inside. It's so cute. This is a beautiful flower decal across there. So I've got to think of a way to incorporate this. And we'll keep going through here. There's so many beautiful things. Some journal cards, tags. You can do some journaling on the back. It's taking her forever to cut all this stuff out. Here's an actual recipe. Chocolate sponge and grape zip. Strawberry whip, pear whip, cherry whip. A little journaling card there. Look at that image, is so cute. I still have one of those hand mixers. It's white, but I still have it. So cute. And inside, these little coin packets. A whole bunch of other little images from the kit. Look at how cute these are. Little apron. More little stuff waiting to be put into a journal, or however I decide to use it. So cute. So thank you so much, Ellie. I just loved it. Loved receiving it, and the Happy Mail made me very happy. Thank you for sending it.